So on today's Technical Corner, I'm here with Mike Harris from Bison to talk about a brand new product. So Mike, what can you tell me about it?
This is our world first for the UK, as they say, machine vice, CNC quality.
So as a machinist myself, you always run out of space in your vice. Is this the only size you do?
No, this is the small version, believe it or not. This is a 125 jaw width version. We do a 160 machine vice, but it was far too heavy to get up the stairs, so we're stuck with this one for a time.
And just quickly, I want to mention, because Swarf is a real pain.
Yep.
This has got a big swarf trap in it.
Yeah.
Is that there the entire time?
All the way, yep. You open this right out to its maximum, that is covered, so there's no swarf going in there. Also, the machine spindle here, that is covered as well. So less time having to spray the thing clean.
So Mike, no more air. Now, is this a hydraulic vice?
It's both, because it's a normal hand crank vice if you have the setting down the front here at 0. But then if you need more strength, more gripping power, you can either go up from 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives you in total 40 kilonewtons worth of pressure.
Now that's great to hear, because I know I have, and I'm guessing most machinists won't admit it, but they have thrown a part out of ice. So that much pressure should really help stop that. Now, another thing that can help with that is, what sort of jaws can I get for this vice?
To go with this vice, we can offer step jaws, prismatic jaws, groove jaws, and standard jaws, which can be adjusted to suit, and they just bolt in from the front here.
And I know I've mentioned it before, but you always just need that little bit extra on your vice. So how can this help?
You can wind it all the way out to get maximum capacity. If you need extra height as well, you just undo these bolts, turn them around, because they're reversible jaws.
So Mike, this vice looks amazing. What is it made from?
It's made from high grade cast alloy steel, all around, machined in one block. So there's no parts bolted on and whatever, it's just one whole thing.
And as a machinist, how does that help me?
Because otherwise what you'd have is bits on, then it affects the accuracy. And this vice can give you up to 0.001 worth accuracy.
Oh, that's great to hear, because for people doing production, that must really help.
Yes.
Now, I only ever worked on vertical machining centres, but can this be used on any other type?
Any kind of milling or grinding machine, this can be brought up. You can either have it as it is or put it back to back with clamps, which then gives you double clamping areas for machining.
Now, Mike, I've got to ask, why another vice?
It's what our customers have been asking for. We had an extensive range of manual vices of all different types, but they've been saying, can you give us a CNC quality vice with good high clamping forces that we can use on our CNC machines?
So how do people find out about the price and delivery of this vice?
Price and delivery, just contact Bison UK and we get back to you with any information that you need.
And we will put all the details below. And Mike, thank you very much.
Thank you.